2018 Jeep Grand Cherokee. The Jeep Grand Cherokee offers superior off-road capability comparable to that of the upscale Land Rover LR3. This makes the Grand Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, traction control, anti-lock braking system, remote engine start, power sunroof, stability control, power passenger seat, keyless entry, backup camera, power liftgate, steering wheel audio controls, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.